Alright,
What
guys.
do you do if you are attacked by a circus mob? Go for the juggler.
Hey, Cortana. Shut up.
Well, I'm hardwired to give the final word.
Yeah, well, you're not hardwired after I turn you off right here. My mouse is frozen. That's nice. Sorry about that, guys. Cortana is a little talkative sometimes. Anyways, I'm here for another video today, and it's how to install lighter fluid in your Zippo lighter. Alright, first what you need to do is open your lighter. There's this little tab right here. You just flip that up, then you're able to pull this out of the case. And on the bottom here, you see this little screw tab and everything else. Trying to get that to focus a little bit. Anyways, you don't have to mess with any of this. Just get something pointy and sharp. A pen, a pencil, a needle. Just stick it in this little hole here, and you're able to pull it up. After you get this pulled up, just stretch it back. See the cotton in there? That's what's going to absorb the lighter fluid, okay? Next, you need lighter fluid, because when you buy these at Walmart or wherever you buy them, usually there's nothing in them, because this stuff actually evaporates pretty fast out of these. I have to refill mine all the time. I don't even smoke or anything either. Alright, so after you get this open, sometimes these leak a little bit, so just lift this up and spray this inside here. Don't spray too much, or else as your lighter's on, it'll get hot inside your pocket. So just fill enough to where you would think that's good. Let it sit here. Sometimes it'll start leaking out the tip because it's all going to absorb into the tip. So let that hang a little bit. Now, put it back in the case. Flip the tab down like this, because that's what latches it open and shut. And now, voila, you have fire. So I hope this was helpful for anyone out there who needed to install lighter fluid and didn't know how if they just got their first Zippo. But thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, and hallelujah.